Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's break things down. For the first 4 counts, we'll simply walk onto the dance floor. Notice our dancers here are walking from the back of the dance floor. And leader, you should be on the left side, follower, you're on the right side, and your left hand should be connected. And leader, you're going to place your right hand around your partner's waist. And we're going to simply walk towards the center of the dance floor for 4 counts. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, leader, you're going to bring your partner right at left hand high. You're going to draw 2 circles clockwise. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on count 8 here, you're going to place your partner's hand over your head here. We call this a face loop. And then now we're in a closed dance position. Now let's return to our before the turns there. So follower, you're simply going to turn twice going to the right, starting with your right foot. So you go right, left, right, left. Great. Make sure you stay close to your partner so that your partner doesn't have to chase after you. Okay, so now we're in the dance position and we're going to do 4 sways. Leader, you're going to start with your left foot. Follower, you're going to start with the right foot. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do a dip to the right side. So leader, you're going to bend your right knee, extend your left leg out. Make sure you stay upright here to counterbalance your partner and offer her the support. Your arm should be connected to your partner's back or upper back here so that she gets a lot of support from your arm. And follower, you're going to lean back onto your partner's arm here. Your weight should be on the left leg. Bend your left knee, extend your right leg in front of you and point your toes. And just lean back slightly. So the count is 5, 6, and then later you're going to bring her up. And then on 7, you're going to turn your partner counterclockwise this time with your left hand. And then we are back in a dance position. Okay, let's start with the sways again. So we are in a closed position. Leader start the left foot, follower start the right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, dip 5. Come up 6, turn 7 and 8.